Make some flaxseed gel the correct way. No stove involved. So to start off, my measurements were a bit off because I eyeballed it. So I added more flaxseed, even though the gel came out pretty good last time. But we're doing everything correctly, so I gotta make sure the measurements are right. Then I stirred it for a minute, let it sit out for an hour before I put it in the fridge, and that definitely made a big difference. I was also told to stir it while it was in the fridge. So 2 hours after, I already got some gel. So boom, I took that out, stirred it, and yeah, the whole stirring process makes a huge difference because what I learned is that the stirring is what releases the gel. Then I came back to the fridge 2 hours later and it got thicker. And I'm like, yeah, this is definitely ready. I got this in about 5 hours total with no stove. But since it was nighttime, I waited till the morning to strain the gel. And look at it. It's like so perfectly clear. And I'm so proud of myself because I didn't use no stove.
My hair right now is bone dry. I have not added any leave-in. I haven't sprayed any water, no oils. It's just dry. And I'm doing this on purpose because I want to show you how powerful flaxseed gel is when you use it the right way. So I will work in the smaller sections and then I will take this jar of homemade flaxseed gel. If you have never made it before, it's literally just flax seeds and water boiled down until it turns into this slippery, silky gel. There are no chemicals added to these products. There is no hidden ingredients. There are no essential oils that I've added. It's just flaxseed gel and water. And this gel is natural. It's loaded with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and it also has plant proteins that feed our hair from the outside in. So here's the part that we don't usually emphasize, especially when we're using flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is a humectant. And what that means is that it attracts moisture from the air and it pulls it into our hair shaft. For us with type 4 hair, that's a big deal because our strands lose moisture faster than people who have straight or wavy textures. And oils alone, best believe guys, they can't add hydration. Okay, they're good. I love my oils. I like to seal in with my oils, but they do not add hydration, so they only seal in what's already there. I like to apply flaxseed gel mostly on my ends, not because they're the oldest, most fragile part of our hair, which is true, but this way I am not wasting product where I don't need to. I like to focus or target the exact spot that needs the most love, and for me those are my ends. Now if you have never used flaxseed gel before, it might not be the first best feeling that you ever want to experience with your hair, but over time you get to learn to apply it on your hair and your strands will love it because they will go from stiff to weary to bendable and then smooth. After that, I like to go in with castor oil, not just a ton but just a little bit to coat my ends so that they stay freshly hydrated. Castor oil is thick, so it can act like a barrier that keeps the moisture from escaping too quickly. This combo is my secret weapon because what the gel does is that it feeds my hair and then the oil, the castor oil, locks in the goodness. And these two are my powerful weapons when it comes to softness, when it comes to hydration, when it comes to moisture retention. I had to share it with you guys. And once the sections are done, I like to twist it back gently. I'm not aiming for the world's neatest twists or mini braids or medium braids, whatever I'm doing here. I'm just aiming for a low tension style that is protective, that's gonna let my hair rest. And by the time I have worked through my whole head, I have basically giving my ends a spa day. And the crazy part about this is that my hair stays soft for days when I use this combo. Now, how often do I do this? About once or twice a week. I like to do this combo depending on how my hair feels, and if the weather is dry or I have been wearing my hair out a lot, I might do it often. The key here is listening to your hair. And also, depending on your hair, you might get a little stiffness until it dries, but once it's absorbed, your hair will feel really soft. So if your ends are tired, if you are tired of creams that work for 2 hours and then vanish, if you're tired of breakage, if you are wanting to see that length, I want you to try this flaxseed gel combo. Take your time, work in small section. We're not all about neat hairstyles and stuff like that. We're about taking care of our hair and protecting our hair. So all you have to know is that apply this gel and leave your hair alone and see how your hair will feel. And if I take this down after a week or 2 weeks, my hair still feels really soft. If you have tried flaxseed gel, let me know in the comment section below what combo you have used flaxseed gel with. Have you tried flaxseed gel with grease, sealing it with grease? Have you tried it with what? Let me know the combos that you have tried flaxseed gel with in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have tried flaxseed gel, let me know the combos that you have tried flaxseed gel with in the comment section below. I'm looking to hear from you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.